All right, one more thing I wanted to show everybody were these drive shafts, and I really wasn't going to put these in the video because they're just drive shafts, but they're Tom Woods custom drive shafts, and I measured as the instructions say on their website to measure, and literally called in the order. They shipped them out the next day, so that's kind of their claim to fame, is one day turnaround, and also a high quality, really durable, rugged product. Let's take a look at these in a little bit more detail. So that's the front drive shaft, and you can see the difference in the diameter of the shafts. The bottom one is the factory CJ drive shaft, and of course the top one is the new one. 2-inch tubing versus 1 1/4 from the factory. So a lot heavier duty. I may have to clearance that a little bit on the cross member, but I'm about to find out because I'm going to put these in. Now, per the instructions that they give you, my front drive shaft measured 36 inches and my rear drive shaft measured 21.5, and at 21.5 they recommend that guy right there, and I believe they call it a double cardan joint. Also had to buy that yoke there on the end that goes on the transfer case, and then that will help alleviate that drive line angle. He said if I don't get it, the guy I talked to at Tom Woods said if you don't get that, you're going to experience a lot of vibration when you're driving. Some pretty heavy duty stuff. I really like this rear drive shaft, and look at those splines. Don't think I'm ever going to break that thing, even with this 350 V8. So that's kind of the main reason I got new drive shafts. Well, two reasons really. One is because of the moving the engine around. They were different dimensions, and then secondly, just replacing the weaker factory units with just some heavy duty drive shafts. Alright, so pretty cool, pretty excited to put these things in, and they also give you a, they put that sticker on your actual drive shaft, and then they give you this sticker. Alright, pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put these things in, and that'll be one more thing checked off the list. Alright, so I got the drive shafts installed. Here's the front drive shaft. And one of the things that I'm actually really happy about is that I didn't have to clearance this at all. And that is the 2-inch drive shaft, and I got plenty of clearance. And when I say clearance it, I thought I was going to have to cut some of this cross member out. And I think I got plenty of room. So no clearance issues at all. Really good fit there. Alright, so here is the rear drive shaft, and it's pretty good angle on that thing, and hopefully this double cardan joint will do its job, and everything bolted up, fit perfectly. Alright, so I feel really good about those drive shafts. They're really heavy duty, made in the USA. Good quality product, good customer service, quick turnaround. I don't know what else you can say about them. So they certainly have the reputation to hold up and to handle some abuse. So should be able to hold up to anything that 350 motor throws at it in that rear. I would say the weak point of my drivetrain now is probably my AMC 20 rear axle. But if you remember many updates ago, I did have 410 gears put in there, and I did go to the one-piece axle shafts, the hardened steel axle shafts. So hoping everything's going to hold up, and this puts us kind of one step closer to getting this thing fired up, which I would say I'm within. I know I probably keep saying I'm within a week or two, but I'm really probably within a week or two now. Just got to get busy on the wiring and get back into that. So stay tuned to the channel, more cool videos to come, and if you like this video, like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.